Hi, my name is Ashley Sabalas and I'm a realtor at Choice Jacksonville Realty. And in my last video, I explained to you guys some of the pros and cons of renting versus buying. Now, in that video, I used the example of a VA loan. As far as no money down and sellers assisting and paying with all to some of the closing cost. Now, someone brought to my attention, what about for people who are not military or a veteran? Another good option for them of why they should buy over renting. Now, I'm not a lender, but I do have some great lenders that, can answer all of your questions. But today I'm just going to do a short video on another 100% financing, no money down loan that you don't have to be a military member or a veteran. Now, the loan I'm referring to is called a USDA loan. It is a government-backed loan that is 100% financing with no money down. Now, of course, there are requirements as far as your financial side and the home side. Now, as far as the home, it has to be in a USDA eligible area, which is usually outside of city limits. Now, that has to be a single family home that is not a mobile home. It cannot be manufactured. It has to be either a brand new manufacturer or a single family residence. Now, this can be for first time home buyers, second time home buyers. It just has to be your primary residence. You can't use a USDA loan on a rehab or a fix and flip. Now, just to touch on a few of the top things that you do have to qualify for a USDA loan is the minimum credit score of 620. You have to have at least 2 years of documented income, such as pay stubs or tax returns. And then you also have to fall under a certain income limit. Now, the income limit, there is a calculator you can find online, and I will attach the link below, just so you guys can check out the USDA eligible areas as well as the income limit. Now, some of the great benefits of a USDA loan. Like I said before, it is 100% financing. It is no money down. You could always, if you choose, put money down, 3.5%, which is the requirement for FHA, but it's not a requirement of USDA. Also, closing costs can be rolled into the loan. As long as the home appraises for a higher value, you can roll the closing cost into the loan. Or, like I said in my previous video, a lot of the sellers in our area will assist in some to all of the closing costs, which, just like the VA loan, once again makes it a no money down loan with no closing costs other than your inspections, such as your septic or your home inspection. Now, another great benefit is you don't have to be a first-time home buyer. Like I said, it just cannot be an investment property. It can't be something that you're going to buy, to fix, to renovate, to have someone move in as a rental or income property. It has to be a single family residence that you are going to reside in. Now, I just wanted to do this video just to show you guys that you don't have to be military and you don't have to be a veteran and you don't have to just use a VA loan to be able to qualify for a great loan that's still 100% financing with no money down and can still be a great option over renting. Now, just like with the example I gave in my last video, using a VA loan, 100% financing, no money down on a $100,000 house. Now, that payment on the VA loan came out to be about $675. On a USDA loan, the payment's still roughly $699, which is still right under the $700 that you would be paying in rent, with all the upfront cost of your application fee, your deposit, your first month's rent, and any pet fees. So if you guys have any more questions or would like me to explain anything else or get you in contact with a great lender, just let me know. I would love to help with any of your real estate needs.